We're at my newest listing at Arizona Lofts, which is in the Kirkwood, Edgewood area. And it is a really special development. If you come in, it feels very much like an oasis in the city. Walking distance to the brand new Pullman Yards, walking distance to the Edgewood Shopping Center. There is so much that you can get to right from the spot. Beltline, Kirkwood Business District, it really can't be beat. This unit is a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath loft, and it's set up so that you have a beautiful living area open to dining and kitchen, which is nicely updated. And then you have this incredible patio space that you can sit outside and meet your neighbors. A full wall of windows and really high ceiling. And then you've got your primary suite upstairs with a walk-in closet, a full separate tub and shower that's all part of a wet room. It's really a great setup. The amenities are amazing. You have 2 pools, you have a clubhouse, exercise facility. It's very dog friendly with a dog run. It's beautiful fountains throughout. You even have a wildlife sanctuary where you can sit outside and just watch the birds.